Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to make a pond in Planet Zoo. As you expand your zoo, you'll eventually care for animals that require a pond for swimming or bathing to maintain their welfare. The size and depth of the pond will vary depending on the species. To create one, click the Terrain button in the bottom right corner of your screen, just above the date and time display. Open the Sculpting tab and select the Push tool. Then lower the ground inside the habitat to create a hole for the pond. Try to keep the shoreline fairly shallow instead of making steep edges, so your animals can easily enter and exit the water. You can also adjust settings such as the brush size, intensity, and other terrain options for more precise shaping. Once the hole is ready, switch to the Water tool by selecting the droplet icon, choose Calm Water, and click inside the hole to fill it with water. To check if the pond meets your animal's needs, select one of the animals in the habitat and open its Terrain tab. If the water requirements haven't been met yet, simply adjust the pond's size or depth until they are. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.